Hey guys, this is Alex Pierce from BlenderRender.com. This is just a quick tip, but I think you guys are going to love this. If you go to Edit, Preferences, Interface, and check Developer Extras, you will get hundreds or thousands of new shortcuts the next time you press F3. Okay, this is without Developer Extras. Notice it ends at the toggle window full screen. Now let's look at the Developer Extras turned on. Now we have all of these extras. Most of these are add-ons that you've already installed. For instance, if we want to use Renderplus commands, let's see what we have. Or let's say we want to generate a tree using TreeGen. Now we can do that straight from the F3 button. This is really important with complex add-ons and third-party render engines. With Octane for Blender, for example, I use F3 for pretty much everything. Okay, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful and if you knew about this already or if this is the first time you've heard about it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.